Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer apps from iPhone to Android. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your Android phone is either factory reset or in the setup process. This will give you the option to transfer apps during setup. On your iPhone, download the Switch to Android app, now known as Android Switch. This is Google's official transfer tool and can be found in the App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts. It helps you securely move photos, contacts, and some app data from your iPhone to your Android device. This method makes the process simple and smooth. If the app does not transfer everything, you can manually re-download apps. Open your app library on your iPhone, take note of the apps you use most, and then search and install those same apps on your Android device. Most major apps like Call of Duty Mobile, Chick-fil-A, or Clash of Clans allow you to sign in with your existing account, so your data should still be available once you log in. So that's basically how you can transfer apps from iPhone to Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.